Hey guys, so as you can see, the same setup as my last video, right? Laziness. I am going to be doing a trend that is like 2-3 years old. I'm going to be following NAPTURAL85's blowout routine, and I'm also going to be doing a little trim on my hair. So yeah, it's about to get real crazy. So if you're interested, keep watching. Cue the intro! Cue it! Intro time! Alright guys, so I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm going to be watching her video on my laptop, and then I'm just going to be following along.
What's up guys? Good morning. So it is actually early in the morning. I think it's 8:30. We've got a little bit of blue light. The light is probably going to change throughout this video just because it is so early. Just a warning. Today's video was actually unplanned, as you can tell from my lack of makeup and questionable wardrobe.
My video was planned and I'm still wearing questionable. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Actually,
So this is also a mini product review because I got the blow dryer. It's the Revlon One Step, the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I am so excited to try this brush. I'm a little afraid because it's a paddle brush, but hopefully NAPTURAL85 will give us some tips on how we can minimize the dangerousness of using a paddle brush, basically.
So I washed my hair pretty early yesterday and allowed it to dry. And
so I just finished washing my hair, like you guys saw in my last video, with the main choice proceed with caution line. It's in the previous video, so just go watch that. I'll wait. I mean, I'm not gonna wait here, but like if you pause this one and then like on your laptop, or if you like on your laptop, go on your phone, or you know how, or just close this one and come back. You know, that's okay too. We could see.
So it's not fully dry, but it's also not damp.
So my hair is definitely damp. I towel dried it, but I towel dried it in the twist, so it's towel dried.
It's kind of like just almost there, which
pretty
is
damn
perfect. Dryness level to blow dry your hair fully on low using the Revlon blow dryer. And I also want to show you guys that I do still.
So I might have to go up to high because I am not on. My hair is not as dry as she's saying her hair is.
I use this because I know I've been obsessed with the Revere. I'm not recommending that you guys go and get both of them. I'm in a unique position.
The Revere is $400 and this is $40. We're gonna stick with this.
Where I actually do my hair for a living, and so having different tools is really helpful for me personally.
Right.
If you're just like doing your hair every like once a month or whatever, it's not like what you do as a career. It's probably not that serious to dry, and I can either style my hair from there or whatever, but
Same.
I'm going to blow dry my hair from there. So I just unraveled one twist, and I like to work one half at a time. So I'm gonna clip one.
So my hair is not as thick as hers, so we probably gonna just do this whole twist. It's gonna be all right.
I'm rubbing in a little bit of a leave-in conditioner. This one also happens to be from the Main Choice. Some of you guys know that I love the 3-in-1 conditioner as well as the...
Okay, so I don't have a Main Choice leave-in, but I do have the leave-in I used a couple of videos ago, which is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner, so this is the leave-in conditioner I'm going to be going with. So let me take this twist out. And my hair is still very wet. I wouldn't even say damp. It's like high-key completely wet. So we will see how it goes. About that much. She said a little bit, so I'm trying to only put a little bit. Okay, what's next?
As I Am Grow yogurt. I'm out of the As I Am Grow yogurt, which is a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna go with this. So I'm gonna go back to Old Faithful. And I'm gonna use Carol's Daughter Kapuwasu, which I love. Love.
I don't know if that's a cream or what that is, but we're gonna skip that step.
Love this heat protectant as well.
Oh, it's a heat protectant. I got the Pantene heat protectant, the Pantene Pro V Heat Primer Thermal Heat Protectant. It said it helps protect hair up to 450 degrees. So the instructions say shake well and it prepares hair for heat styling. Apply liberally section by section. Now I'm gonna comb through just to make sure my hair is detangled enough. Even though I'm using a comb and this is a paddle brush, but detangled is detangled, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna bust this baby open. If I can find out where to bust it open at. So this is the blow dryer. It's like huge. It's kind of, you know, imposing. But I'm going to open this up because I'm guessing that this is her next step. I don't know what else you'd be doing after the heat protectant.
I'm gonna detangle the section with my wide tooth comb. And I'm gonna detangle it with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush.
So I only have my wide tooth comb, so I'm hoping I just don't pull out too much hair. Thanks.
Once your tangles are nice and out, you can just start blow drying. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go right on low.
All right, so she just went in, so I'm just going to go in now. Let me just detangle it one more time. I'm nervous because I can't hold the brush and then have a blow dryer at the same time. I don't have that much dexterity, so. She is doing low, so I'm gonna start with low and see, can we get my hair to hang down here? Okay, so stay tuned. Whoa. Look at how, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm seeing this and I'm like, whose hair is this? And it's the awesome thing about this brush is it detangles as well as blow dries. So the low is still pretty hot unless I am doing it wrong, which I don't think I am. Yeah, so the low is still pretty hot. So I don't think you need higher than low. I mean, I would see. I'm not gonna try it out on this section because this section is already done. So I'm just gonna twist this section up. And then my hair doesn't feel dry either. It feels nice. My roots are still kind of damp though. So I'm just gonna see if I can, I'm gonna hover over my roots for a second. So today I am blow drying my hair with the intention of trimming afterwards, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys know that you do not have to blow dry your hair to get a trim. You can get your hair cut curly, but it is something that you should definitely get a stylist to do because it is significantly more difficult for you to do at home. So I decided to blow out my hair because for me to review the blow dryer and because it'll be easier for me to see the damage when I have my hair blown out as opposed to curly. So earlier in the video, I said something about my roots being wet, and that was a problem consistently throughout me doing the entire blowout of my hair. So I don't know what Natural85's remedy for this problem was, or if she even experienced this problem. But for me, what I did was I would blow dry my hair down one way, and then I would flip it to the other side and blow dry it that way, and that would help me get more stretch and get my roots dried as well. All right, guys, so I finally finished. I am tired now. So this is all the hair I lost, like, from the blow dryer. I don't know if that's kind of weird. If you don't like seeing hair that came out, click away for now. But this is all the hair that came out of the blow dryer. I don't know if that seems like a lot to you guys. Let me fix my hair one more time, because right now you don't know what it looks like. One more time. Whoa! So this is what it looks like, completely blown out. Of course, it's not gonna be straight, because that is not the point of this blow dryer. I am just going to do like a low situation. My hair still feels, it feels so soft and so smooth. Before you get to the ends, of course, we're gonna work on that later. But my hair feels so smooth, and it's so weird to me, and I kept going over sections because every time I've had my hair blow dry before, it always felt so dry and so brittle after. So I always was like expecting that that's how it's supposed to be. So that was so weird. And I used low the whole time. I probably could have got my hair like straighter or flatter or whatever if I hadn't used low the whole time, but I used low the whole time just to reduce the amount of the possibility of damage. Now, even on low, this thing gets up there. This thing gets very hot, even on low. I never went to high because there was never a purpose in me going to high, because only reason why I'm blowing my hair out is for a trim. So I don't need it to be straight to get a trim. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you guys looking real rough. Hashtag don't judge me. But I am in the process of editing the video right now, and I realized I could have ended it better. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know that I would definitely recommend you get this blow dryer, because I don't know about you guys, but the brush and the blow dryer and, you know, doing it yourself, it's very difficult for me. So this blow dryer, it makes it possible for me to blow dry my hair. Of course, there's ways you can stretch your hair without using a blow dryer, and if you guys want a video on that, just let me know. But I chose to stretch my hair with a blow dryer this time for my trim. So yeah, I would definitely choose that blow dryer to do it with. When I blow dry my hair again, I'll be using that blow dryer to do it. So like I said, the link is going to be in the description box below. I am going to have the trimming video up next week on Friday, because it was going to make this video way too long. So I decided just to split it up and then put that video on for next week. So if you are interested in seeing me trim my hair, make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment, and then you'll be notified when I post a video next week. So I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.